Don't make the same mistakes that countless New England homeowners have faced, ending up with a failing roof after the first snowstorm. Imagine ice dams causing leaks because of an improper ice and water barrier. Warranties that don't cover repairs because they're prorated. And then this is the worst right here. Unqualified contractors who aren't certified or familiar with New England's unique weather conditions, leading to improper installations that void out the warranties altogether. And in this video, we're going to go through 4 easy essential tips that you can begin to apply today to avoid all of the common pitfalls we just mentioned when installing a new roof in New England. So do not install your next roof until you've seen this episode. So welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscription and that bell notification to join the community, and like and share this video if you are familiar with us, because I feel like this could really help somebody else out there. So let's break down the major pitfalls and how you can avoid them when installing your new roof. First, ice dams causing leaks and damage. If you're not familiar with this, ice dams form when snow on your roof melts and unfreezes at the edges, causing water to back up under your shingle. This can lead to leaks and serious interior damage. This is one of the biggest culprits for not having the proper ice and water barrier installed. We often see homeowners who opted for cheaper installations without realizing that a good ice and water barrier is very critical, especially in areas like valleys and roof eaves. Think of it as a shield. Without it, water finds its way into your home, causing costly repairs down the road. So what's our solution here at Roofing Doctor? Well, we use CertainTeed's Water Guard to create a watertight seal, especially in vulnerable areas like valleys and roof eaves. CertainTeed's Water Guard is a premium ice and water barrier specially designed to combat ice dams and leaks. It's a self-adhesive waterproof layer installed beneath your shingles, providing an extra line of defense where roofs are most vulnerable, like valleys and eaves, and around roof penetrations such as chimneys and vents. WaterGuard forms a tight seal that prevents water from seeping into the roof, even if shingles are damaged. And it's engineered to withstand the harsh freeze-thaw cycles common in New England, ensuring long-lasting protection against leaks. Next, misleading lifetime warranties. A lifetime warranty sounds good until you read the fine print. Most of these warranties are prorated, meaning the coverage decreases after every year, often covering only the materials and not the labor. Imagine having a major roof issue only to find out your warranty pays pennies on the dollar for what you actually need. It's like buying a car with a lifetime warranty, Sergey would always say, on the tires, right? Only to realize you're paying more out of your pocket after of just a few years. So always dig deeper and find out truly what your warranty actually covers, and don't be fooled by the buzzword lifetime warranty. And here at Roofing Doctor, unlike misleading lifetime warranties that are often prorated and cover only the material, Roofing Doctor provides a comprehensive warranty solution that truly protects your investment. Our approach includes a 10-year workmanship warranty and the option to purchase additional coverage directly from the manufacturer themselves, CertainTeed Shingles. This extended non-prorated warranty covers both materials and labor, ensuring full protection for your entire roofing project. We also maintain our certification as a CertainTeed Shingle Master Applicator, which guarantees your roof meets stringent installation standards required for full warranty coverage, so you won't lose out based on our work from the warranty that CertainTeed provides. Third, choosing the wrong materials. Now, just like real estate, location matters in this situation. If your home is on the coast, high winds can rip off lightweight shingles. In snowy regions, the wrong shingle can crack under the weight of snow. And we've seen homeowners who tried to cut costs by using shingles not designed for their specific environment, only to face rapid deterioration. Think of it like wearing flip-flops in snowstorm. It just doesn't work. Always choose materials that are designed for specific locations. And at Roofing Doctor, we ensure that you choose the best materials for your home's specific needs. Not just any shingle off the shelf. Sergey often jokes, "Would you like me to put paper on your roof? It's strong, but it's just like paper." This highlights the importance of quality. We assess your location, whether it's battling coastal winds or heavy snow, and guide you to high-performance CertainTeed shingles designed for New England's tough weather. Our expert recommendations prevent you from making costly material mistakes that lead to rapid deterioration of your shingles. And finally, unqualified contractors. Not all contractors are created equally. Hiring someone who isn't certified or experienced in New England's unique weather conditions can lead to improper installations that void out the warranties altogether and put your roof at risk. We've seen roofs fail because contractors cut corners, skipped essential steps, or they didn't follow manufacturer guidelines. Now, always ensure your contractor is certified, experienced, and uses the right materials, because hiring an unqualified contractor can lead to improper installations and, like I said, void out your warranties, and ultimately your roof will start falling apart. Sergey often emphasizes anyone can say they're a roofer, but not everyone's certified to do it right. At Roofing Doctor, we ensure our team is fully certified as a CertainTeed Shingle Master Applicator, which means our work meets the highest standards required by the manufacturer themselves. We rigorously follow manufacturer guidelines and use only top quality materials, guaranteeing that your roof isn't just installed, but it's installed right. So whether you're choosing Roofing Doctor or another contractor, just make sure that you're armed with the right information to protect your home. We hope the tips we've shared help you avoid common pitfalls and choose the best materials, installers, and warranties for your roof, because it's about making the right decisions and choices to ensure your investment lasts. And if you ever need guidance, our team is here to help you with honest advice and expert service. So don't be afraid to reach out, because your roof deserves the best. Get it right from the start.